Imagine waking up one morning, you step outside, you look up. Across the sky stretches a breathtaking sight. A giant, luminous band surrounds our planet. Earth now has rings like Saturn. How did this happen? What would these rings look like from Earth? How would they change our world? Let's explore these fascinating questions. Our planet has changed. The familiar night sky is now a celestial wonderland, dominated by the ethereal glow of our planet's new accessory. But these rings are more than just a beautiful sight. They hold clues to our planet's past and could shape the future of life on Earth. We are about to embark on an incredible journey to explore this new Earth. We will delve into the science behind these rings, the impact on our planet, and the profound ways they could alter human civilization. Fasten your seatbelts, our cosmic adventure is about to begin. Planetary rings are not just random collections of dust and ice. They're remnants of a chaotic past shaped by gravity and time. Most gas giants in our solar system, like Jupiter and Saturn, have rings. These rings likely formed from shattered moons or leftover material from the early solar system. The debris from a cosmic collision could be captured by Earth's gravity, forming a ring system. Earth's new rings would be more than just a celestial spectacle. They would whisper tales of cosmic collisions and gravitational dances. The appearance of rings would drastically alter our sky. From the equator, the rings would appear as a bright band stretching across the sky, bisecting it into two hemispheres. Imagine a giant, luminous archway spanning the heavens. As you traveled north or south, the perspective would shift. The rings would appear to curve, dipping below the horizon. From the poles, the rings would be almost invisible, circling the zenith like a celestial halo. The rings wouldn't just be a daytime spectacle, they would reflect sunlight even at night, casting an ethereal glow on the landscape. Imagine moonlit nights bathed in the soft, shimmering light of the rings. Stargazing would take on a whole new meaning as the constellations twinkled through the celestial tapestry of our ring system. These are just a few glimpses of the visual wonders that await us on a ringed Earth. From the shimmering arcs across the equator to the subtle halo at the poles, the rings would transform our sky into a breathtaking display of cosmic beauty. The presence of rings would inevitably impact Earth's climate. The rings would reflect a portion of sunlight back into space, potentially causing a slight cooling effect. This cooling effect wouldn't be uniform. The equator, receiving the most direct sunlight and ring shadow, might experience a more noticeable temperature drop. The rings could also disrupt weather patterns. By altering the distribution of sunlight, the rings could influence atmospheric circulation, potentially leading to shifts in wind patterns and precipitation. Imagine regions experiencing more extreme weather events or changes in the frequency of monsoons. Furthermore, the rings could affect Earth's albedo, the amount of sunlight reflected back into space. The ice and dust in the rings would increase Earth's overall albedo, further contributing to the cooling effect. This complex interplay of factors makes it challenging to predict the exact climatic consequences of a ringed Earth. However, one thing is certain, our planet's climate would never be the same. Section 5: Celestial Tapestry: Cultural Responses to the Rings. The appearance of rings would undoubtedly trigger a wave of cultural and societal changes. Religions might reinterpret the rings as divine symbols. Ancient myths might be reborn, weaving tales of celestial serpents or cosmic bridges. Imagine artists drawing inspiration from the rings, incorporating them into paintings, sculptures, and architecture. The rings could become a symbol of unity, reminding us that we all share the same sky. The scientific community would be energized, launching ambitious missions to study the composition, origin, and potential impact of the rings. International collaborations would flourish as scientists worldwide pool their resources and knowledge to unravel the mysteries of our celestial companion. The rings would become an integral part of human culture, inspiring awe, wonder, and a renewed appreciation for the beauty and grandeur of the cosmos. They would remind us that we are part of something much larger than ourselves, igniting our curiosity and pushing the boundaries of human imagination. Section 6: Whispers of the Cosmos: Stories and Myths, inspired by the rings. For millennia, humans have looked to the heavens for inspiration. The stars have guided our ancestors, fueled our imaginations, and shaped our mythology. The sudden appearance of rings around Earth would undoubtedly spark a renaissance in storytelling and myth-making. Ancient cultures might weave tales of celestial serpents or cosmic bridges, their shimmering forms reflected in the night sky. Imagine stories of gods and goddesses using the rings as celestial stepping stones, their every move watched by the awestruck eyes of humanity. Modern storytellers would find endless inspiration in the rings, using them as backdrops for science fiction epics, fantastical adventures, and introspective tales of wonder and discovery. The rings would become a canvas for our collective imagination, reflecting our hopes, fears, and our enduring fascination with the unknown. From ancient myths to modern science fiction, the rings would weave themselves into the fabric of our stories. They would remind us of the power of the cosmos to inspire, to challenge, and to unite us under a shared sense of awe and wonder. Section 7. Living on the Edge. The perils of a ringed planet. While undeniably beautiful, Earth's rings would also present certain risks. The rings would be composed of countless particles, from tiny dust grains to larger chunks of ice and rock. These particles could pose a threat to satellites and spacecraft, increasing the risk of collisions. The rings could also interfere with astronomical observations. The scattered light from the rings would make it more challenging to study distant stars and galaxies, potentially hindering our exploration of the universe. Further, there's a slight but real danger of ring material eventually raining down on Earth. While Earth's atmosphere would burn up most smaller particles, larger pieces could survive entry, posing a potential impact hazard. These risks, while real, should be weighed against the scientific and cultural benefits of having rings. By carefully studying the rings and developing strategies to mitigate risks, we could learn to live in harmony with our planet's dazzling new feature. Section 8. Cosmic Harmony. Finding balance in a changed world. The appearance of rings around Earth would mark a turning point in human history. We would need to adapt to a new reality, developing new technologies to protect our satellites and spacecraft. Establishing observatories on the Moon or in space would be essential. Coming together as a global community would be crucial to address this cosmic event. The rings would symbolize human resilience, ingenuity, and our boundless capacity for wonder. Section 9. A universe of wonder. The drive to explore. The rings would undoubtedly fuel a renewed passion for space exploration. Imagine missions to study the rings up close, analyzing their composition, mapping their structure, and unraveling their secrets. We might even establish a research outpost on the rings themselves, providing a unique platform for studying Earth and the cosmos. Imagine scientists conducting experiments in microgravity, engineers testing new spacecraft designs, and astronauts gazing back at our blue planet, now adorned with a celestial crown. The rings would become a stepping stone to further exploration, inspiring us to venture beyond Earth's orbit and delve deeper into the mysteries of the solar system. They would reignite our sense of wonder, reminding us that there is still so much to discover, both within our reach and in the vast expanse beyond. Section 10. A legacy in the stars, our place in the cosmos. The appearance of rings would not only change our view of Earth, but also our place in the cosmos. We would join the ranks of other ringed planets, our pale blue dot transformed into a celestial wonder, visible across the vastness of space. This realization would have profound philosophical implications. It would underscore our connection to the universe, reminding us that we are part of a grand cosmic ballet, where even seemingly impossible events can and do occur. The rings would become a legacy for future generations, a symbol of our time on this planet and our enduring quest to understand the universe and our place within it. They would be a testament to the power of curiosity, the importance of scientific inquiry, and the boundless potential of the human spirit. Section 11. Our Ringed Home, a vision of Earth's future. Imagine a future where children grow up gazing at the rings, their imaginations ignited by the possibilities they represent. Imagine a future where the rings become a symbol of hope, reminding us of our resilience and our ability to adapt to even the most extraordinary circumstances. Living on a ringed Earth would come with challenges and risks, but it would also be an incredible adventure. It would be a testament to the dynamic nature of our universe, the beauty of scientific discovery, and the enduring power of human curiosity. So, let us embrace the possibility of a ringed Earth. Let us explore its wonders, unravel its mysteries, and use it as an opportunity to learn, grow, and create a better future for ourselves and generations to come. For in the grand tapestry of the cosmos, even the most unexpected events can lead to the most extraordinary discoveries.